Today we will see how to make this super cute yet very simple terrarium in glass. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So to start with, I am taking a glass and I'll pour some garden soil into it. Always choose your potting soil for terrarium as per the plant's requirement. Now I will gently press it and I will try to create a slope. And now it's time to put some moss grass and rockweed plant which I collected from my garden. During monsoon, you can easily find these growing in your garden or on walls or at moist places. So first I will put rockweed plant on top and then I will add patches of moss. Always choose plants with similar water and sunlight requirements while making your terrarium. Here I am using these two plants as they both love lots and lots of moisture and filtered sunlight. Now I'll put a stone in middle and put a Buddha miniature on it. You can put a fairy on it if you have. Also you can keep a bench instead of putting a stone there, and keep a miniature couple on the bench. So basically it's up to you, use your creativity, and this is how I'm planning to do. I'm just keeping few more pebbles here and there to give it a final touch. And yes, to maintain its greenery, spray water on it every alternate days and keep it in filtered sun. Don't put it in full sunlight, otherwise the moss grass will dry out. So here comes the final look and I'm loving it. How about you? Do let me know in the comment section and I will see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.